two Modelo's was how much? $40. $40 for two Modelo's. Then these are the options. You get a lime. And what is this for? Help support the Ronald McDonald House by donating your candle. Do we do it now?
Yeah, you can take them off and donate them.
Might as well. Just don't cut your lips after.
Right. And if they're kind of hard, you got to like wiggle it.
Never mind. I only have one hand.
Right.
So at the Toyota Arena, there's no place to put your gear. Normally there's like somewhere to place it, but there's nothing. Whackety whack, don't come back. Just kidding. It's actually pretty cool so far. It's cool to experience.